Hello friends, discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So friends, let's start the video. Pasta pot. Twist lock handles. Strain out water seconds. Simply twist the handles and drain out the water. No strainer needed. The ultimate kitchen gadget. The Gotham Steel Pasta Pot is 3 kitchen gadgets combined into a single pot. The first kitchen gadget included is the strainer lid. Strain your pasta with the built-in strainer lid. No need for a colander. The second kitchen gadget included our twist and lock handles. Keep your hands safe with the Gotham Steel Pasta Pot's twist and lock handles. Lastly, get rid of all the sticky situations. Food comes right out of the Gotham Steel Pasta Pot with the ultra non-stick ceramic coating. Multi-purpose pot. Great for pasta, spaghetti, and anything else that cooks on the stove. Use the strainer or not, this pot is designed for all types of foods and is oven safe. Garlic press rocker. Crush garlic effortlessly. Tired of getting garlic all over your hands and workstation? This garlic press rocker saves you time and effort by pressing garlic easily. It is made from high-quality 304 stainless steel that is built to last even the most pressing tasks. Mince garlic in seconds. Ergonomically constructed with an arc shape and non-slip soft rubber handle that provides maximum comfortability, especially when exerting force while doing the back-and-forth rocking motion. Its length of 4.3 inches and width of 2 inches is large enough to press garlic cloves continuously. Ideally sized. Its length of 4.3 inches and width of 3 inches is large enough to press garlic cloves continuously, making it possible to easily produce uniform-sized minced garlic in much less time. Perfect for handling any sort of rocking pressure when your recipes call for one or dozens of garlic cloves. Food dehydrator. With 6 stainless steel trays providing 6.5 square feet of drying space, this dehydrator is 27% larger than standard 7-tray models, allowing you to dry more food at once. Equipped with a 600W motor, rear-mounted drying fan, and upgraded airflow technology for faster, more even drying without manual intervention. Auto shutoff kicks in right when the timer ends. Overheat protection will activate if the dehydrator overheats. Crafted with food-grade stainless steel for durable and safe snack making. An ideal gift for those who enjoy making homemade dried foods like fruits, meats, vegetables, and pet treats and more. Perfect for various occasions like Christmas, anniversaries, weddings, birthdays, Valentine's Day, and Thanksgiving. Measuring cups. Multiple sizes. Including 4 measuring cups, 1/4, 1/3, 1/2, 1 cup, 6 measuring spoons, 1/8, 1/4, 1/2, 1 teaspoon, 1/2, 1 tablespoon. Meet all your needs on cooking and baking. Premium material. The measuring cups made of food-grade 18/8 stainless steel. The measuring spoon made of premium food-grade stainless steel point, 100% rust-resistant, no toxic elements, which is safe to use for both dry and wet ingredients. Easy cleaning. Stackable professional metal measuring spoons and cups set is dishwasher safe. Perfect solution to cheap plastic measuring sets. Easy to use. Each measuring cup and measuring spoon have engraved clearly the size mark. No more guess in kitchen. Guarantee. Tyluck offer 100% satisfaction to allow you to test it. Please feel free to contact us if you are not satisfied with our product. Corn stripper and peeler tool. Make corn prep faster and easier with the corn stripper and peeler tool with bowl. Your quick, safe way to remove corn kernels in seconds. Designed with a sharp stainless steel blade and a built-in bowl, this handy gadget catches every kernel neatly. No mess, no waste. The non-slip safety handle gives you a secure grip, while the compact design makes it easy to use and store. Perfect for fresh salads, soups, and homemade corn dishes, this tool saves time in the kitchen and keeps your hands safe from slips. With its bright yellow color and efficient design, the corn stripper and peeler tool is a must-have for every home cook who loves convenience and clean cooking. Steel piece utensil set. Durable, elegant 6-piece stainless steel set seamlessly transitions from kitchen to table. Stainless steel turner is perfect for flipping and transferring. Stainless steel spoon is great for stirring and serving. Stainless steel slotted spoon strains and serves with ease. Stainless steel ladle is ideal for scooping stews and soups. Stainless steel fork steadies roasts and poultry. Stainless steel utensil holder provides convenient, sleek countertop storage. Air fryer silicone liners pot. Make air frying easier and cleaner with these 8-inch air fryer silicone liners. Designed for 3 to 5 quart air fryers, these reusable silicone pots are a game changer for your kitchen. Made from premium, food-grade silicone, they're non-stick, heat-resistant, and safe for air fryers, ovens, and microwaves. No more scrubbing stuck on grease. Just rinse or toss them in the dishwasher for quick cleanup. The unique raised texture design helps circulate air evenly, ensuring your food stays crispy on the outside and tender inside. Perfect for baking, roasting, frying, or reheating your favorite dishes. Each pack includes 2 liners, one red and one black, so you can cook multiple meals with style and convenience. Upgrade your cooking experience with these reusable air fryer silicone liners. Eco-friendly, durable, and designed to make every meal easier and cleaner. Mini Maker. More than pancakes. Make individual servings for eggs, cookies, pancakes, grilled cheese without the need for multiple pots/pans. Compact plus lightweight. Weighing 1 lb plus, this is a must-have for that first apartment, smaller kitchen, college dorm life, or camper/RV traveling. Cord length, 31 inches. Quick plus easy. Simply plug it in and wait for indicator light to turn off. It heats up in mere minutes. The dual non-stick surfaces provide an even cook for consistent results, each and every time. Perfect gift. The perfect wedding or new home gift. Its small size takes up little counter space, and its sleek design and trendy color options will match any kitchen decor. Add to your registry now. Includes the 350-watt mini griddle maker. Includes recipe book and recipe database access. Ice snow cone maker. Make snow cones like a pro. The high-quality snow shaving system allows you to make mountains of snow cones snow quickly, easily, and safely. Push-down handle. Add ice into the ice chute and use the safety-ensured push handle to begin shaving ice into fluffy, flavor-absorbing snow. 64 ounces. Capacity. Fit up to 64 ounces, or about 8 normal-sized snow cones, in the snow cone chamber for so many delightful treats. Snow cones, ice scoop, and side handles. After shaving ice, use the convenient ice scoop to fill one or all of the 4 reusable snow cone cups. Then place them neatly on the side shelves for easy serving. Add your flavor. Add any of your favorite snow cone syrup flavors. Use Nostalgia snow cone syrups for deliciously cool results. Easy cleaning, easy storing. Disassemble to parts for easy and thorough cleaning, then store neatly using the hidden cord storage on the unit. Dish brush. Make dishwashing easier with the Remy dish brush with soap dispenser storage set. This smart kitchen tool comes with 2 brush refills and a holder for mess-free storage. Just fill the handle with soap, press, and scrub. It's that simple. Perfect for dishes, pans, pots, and sinks. The durable bristles cut through grease fast while keeping your hands clean. Stylish, practical, and built to last. The Remy dish brush set makes cleaning faster, easier. Mixing bowls. Airtight lids. 3 greater attachments. The airtight lids that come with this mixing bowl set make it easy to store ingredients and leftovers without worrying about spills or leaks. 3.5 QT had a removable lid inside the main lid, for adding contents or pairing it with your blender without removing the entire lid to prevent splash. This bowl set comes with 3 different grater attachments, slicing/grating/shredding. Just shred or slice right into the bowl. Non-slip silicone bottoms. The rubber on the bottom of the mixing bowls is for gripping and staying put, which prevents sliding on the countertops when mixing and also protects the desk from high temperatures. Attention! The stainless steel bowls needs to be cleaned in time after use to avoid excess stains caused by rust, especially oil stains. Eggshell opener. Say goodbye to messy cracking. Introducing our innovative eggshell opener for hard-boiled eggs, designed to make cracking hard-boiled and raw eggs a breeze. Just press the button for a clean, quick cut. No more knives or hammering required. This essential tool is among the top kitchen gadgets for 2024. Take it anywhere. Lightweight and portable, this egg cracker is your ideal kitchen aid for outdoor adventures. Easily pack it in your luggage or backpack for hassle-free egg cracking at home, in a hotel, or while camping. Pair it with our egg peeler tool for hard-boiled eggs for the ultimate kitchen and dining experience. Upgrade your kitchen. Transform your cooking routine with this essential kitchen tool that simplifies egg preparation, making it a must-have for every home chef. Whether you're using our eggshell opener, egg cracking tool, or hard-boiled egg peeler, elevate your kitchen experience today.